starting the new topic, let me ask you one question. Tell me, who is the father of our nation? Yes, the father of our nation is Mahatma Gandhi.
Kids, today we are going to do EVS subject. And do you know what topic we are going to learn today? First, let's have a look at one activity. For that, I have one game. And through this game, you have to guess which topic we are going to do. Okay?
A game? Wow, Sarju ma'am. I'm so much excited to play this game.
So Namrata ma'am, in this game, some things will be on the table and you will be blindfolded. Okay? And you have to touch the things and recognize that what it is. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, Sarju ma'am. I am ready. So kids, are you all ready? मुझे तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा लग रहा है.
Yes, correct.
I think this is basketball. This one is, I think, cap. कुछ ग्लास में पानी हो सकता है. ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है. कुछ शायद ग्लास में पानी है. मैंगो जैसी स्मेल आ रही है. आई थिंक दिस इज मैंगो.
Yes.
ये तो पोपटलाल की छतरी है, अम्ब्रेला. ये जिससे वो दुनिया को पिला देता है, राइट? हाँ, ये अम्ब्रेला है. तो बच्चों, इन सब चीजों को देख के आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि हम कौन सा टॉपिक करने वाले हैं. Have you guessed that which topic we are going to do today? And all these things are related to which topic? Yes, today we are going to learn about summer season.
Kids, I'm sure you all must have enjoyed the game. And with this, we got a new topic, that is summer season. And now it's time to learn more about this season in detail.
Now children, let us know more about our summer season.
Children, let me ask you one thing. What do we see in the sky during the day in summer season? Yes, we see bright hot sun in the sky. In summer season, the sun shines very brightly. And you know, the sun is also called a hot ball of fire. કેમ કે એ બહુ જ ગરમ હોય. And we cannot see directly at the sun. આપણે જોઈ શકીએ સનને? No. And in summer season, the days are long and nights are short. And you also get summer vacations, right? Children, one more thing. You must drink plenty of water in this season. Because we sweat a lot and so we feel thirsty. And don't play out in the hot sun or else you may fall sick. And whenever you go out, tell your mama to apply sunscreen lotion on your body. Otherwise, your skin will become tan. And what else we should use in summer season? Yes, we should use umbrella, pea cap. Then we should also wear cotton clothes, goggles, flip-flops. And we also use fan, AC. So, children, now it's time for what do we like to have more in summer season. So, what do we like to have? We like to have juicy fruits like watermelon and ice cream, buttermilk and tasty healthy fruit juices. And one more important thing we all like to have. Do you know what is it? Yes, the king of fruits. And everybody's favorite. What is it? Tell me. Mango. And children, you know we get mangoes only in summer season. Do you all enjoy eating mangoes? Okay. So, wow. Hope you all have understood about summer season and you also must have enjoyed learning, right children?
Children, see, in this summer season, we feel hot and thirsty, right? Same way, birds and animals also feel so. એ લોકોને પણ તરસ લાગે, ગરમી લાગે, right? So what we have to do, you know, children? તમારે એક કન્ટેનરમાં એ લોકો માટે થોડું પાણી મૂકવાનું છે. ઓકે? કરશો ને તમે લોકો? Very good.
In your EVS book, open page number 6868. Here we have a hot day. It is very hot on a hot day. In summer season we feel very hot, right? We like cold things on a hot day. When we feel very hot, we like to have cold drink, watermelon, juice, ice cream. Yes or no? Now on the next page, that is page number 6969, we have playway exercises. Question number 2. Take the things you like to have on a hot day. When you are feeling very hot, what do you like to have? Umbrella, ice cream, or sweater? Yes, we like to have ice cream, so we will take the ice cream.
Now we will draw some pictures related to summer season.
Children, in this sketchbook, first of all, here you have to write heading summer season. Okay, children? And now, in the first line, after the red margin, we will write A means A, then leave one finger space, script letter H, O, T, hot, day, D, A, Y, day. Then again in this next line we will write capital letter W, E, V, then again leave one finger space and script letter S, E, E, C. A hot day, V, C. Then put 2 dots. Okay, children? Now, children, tell me, what do we see in the sky during summer season? Yes, children, hot and bright sun, right? So, here we will draw sun. So, first of all, draw one circle. You know very well how to draw sun, right? Color, take yellow color and then color in this circle. Right, children? Then raise with orange color. Okay? Standing, sleeping, like this way, you have to draw sun. Children, on the next page, again after the red margin, we will write capital letter W, E, V, U, S, E, use. Okay, children? Then put 2 dots. We use. Now tell me, children, what do we use during summer season? हम क्या यूज करते हैं? कैप, अम्ब्रेला, गॉगल्स, फैन, एसी यूज करते हैं ना, तो वो हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, with the help of pencil, first we will draw here cap. Okay children, you know very well how to draw cap, right? Like this, you have to draw cap. And now you have to tell me, what is this? Okay, like this. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये क्या है? Yes children, this is umbrella. And here we will draw goggles. First we will draw 2 circles and here like this way we will draw goggles. Okay. Now here we will draw fan. આપણે સમર સિઝનમાં ફેન યુઝ કરીએ ને ચિલ્ડ્રન? યસ. એન્ડ વી ઓલ્સો યુઝ એસી. એસી પણ યુઝ કરીએ છીએ ને ચિલ્ડ્રન? યસ. See, in this way we will draw
fan. We use cap, umbrella, goggles and fan. Now again take a next page and after the red margin we will write W E V L I K E like, T O 2 H A V E have. We like to have. बच्चों समर सीजन में आपको क्या खाना पसंद है? यस, मैंगो, वाटरमेलन, आइसक्रीम, जूस, राइट? तो वो सब यहाँ पे हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, हियर फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ मैंगो. સી ચિલ્ડ્રન, મેંગો ડ્રો કરતા તમને આવડે ને? યસ, એલકેજીમાં તમે શીખી ગયેલા છો. લાઈક ધીસ. એન્ડ મેંગો ઇઝ યોર ફેવરેટ ફ્રૂટ, રાઈટ? Then here we will draw watermelon. Do you like watermelon, children? Yes. And here we will draw juice. જ્યુસ તમને લોકોને ગમે ને ચિલ્ડ્રન? યસ. સમર સિઝનમાં આપણને જ્યુસી ફ્રૂટ્સ જ્યુસ પીવાનું મન થાય ને? Like this way we will draw juice. And now here we will draw ice cream. Ice cream is your favorite, right children? Here Seco and like this. Okay children, this way you have to draw ice cream. We like to have mango, watermelon, juice and ice cream. So children, in this way you have to draw all these pictures related to summer season in your book.
Let us watch an interesting action song. So let's go.
There was a day when it was hot, sunny was the weather, ho. There was a day when it was hot, sunny was the weather, ho. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather, ho.